Here's seaweeds. I just boiled it and I put there. Have all these ingredients or lamas. Ginger, hot peppers, lemon, and tomatoes. So as you can see, yeah, really good. So I'm gonna mix all of this here. So here you go. All the calamansi, because I don't have a vinegar, but it's okay. I have tomatoes. I have more calamansi. I have this ginger, onions, and I have chili espada like this, and tomatoes, and that's it. You can even put hot peppers if you like. This one, and that's my hot peppers. So you can see, really good. I'm so excited. So yeah, and I have more ginger, more onions. I'm gonna mix all of them. So ginger, tomatoes, calamansi, and hot peppers. I normally get rid of lemon or calamansi seeds, but right now I don't have the strainer, so just let it go because I'm rushing also. So look how good it is. Yeah, it's really good. See? And I like to put a lot of black pepper. So, right now, even you're on vacation, so you can still, make something like you're at home. And a little salt. I use sea salt. So it looks so good. I'm going to eat right now. Then you can mix it. So you just mix it here slowly, and I mix together with seaweeds, and it's called Lato and Guso. So it feels like you're near the ocean. So good. So I wash and clean, and I boiled like, I think, just 2 minutes, and then you just pour the water right away, and then after that you drain it, and you just cut all of these ingredients, and you're ready to eat. If you like to put vinegar, it's okay, white vinegar, but I don't have it, so I use calamansi, as I asked the sales lady that I can use it calamansi. So hope you guys learn and share it and enjoy.